Hey, we are making sound machines. I'm Enrika.
I'm Roland. We're from Düsseldorf, and we are here to present our Stolper beats. Yeah, so we're presenting Stopperbeats today, which is our drum trigger sequencer. And the whole idea about the module is to bring you very organic shuffles into the whole Eurorack world, basically.
And we prepared basically two setups. The first one we played is using the trigger outputs on the top of the module. And we are playing 4 different drum sounds with it. So we had a kick and a snare, and then 2 hi-hat and percussion sounds. And let's first maybe hear the kick pattern we can see on the top of the module. Okay, so now we are only hearing the kick pattern. Which is displayed here on the top of the module. And the snare pattern is coming now. Yes. We have patched the trigger out of the snare and hearing now this pattern. I can dial in different patterns. Now we are changing the kick drum pattern. And now the snare drum pattern is changed. We can mute channels by pressing the button. Fully mute. And this is the hi-hat 1. So kick drum and snare have 64 steps. And you see here the hi-hat and percussion channels, they have 16 steps each. So then we have also patched the subdiff. Maybe we want to show the subdiff also. So the subdiff out is basically the shuffled clock output based on the applied shuffle. Let's talk maybe about the shuffles. So on this side of the module, we start from a straight, so no shuffle applied. And now we can dial in different grades of shuffle. And the more I go down on this side, the more extreme it gets, basically. Then we have different kinds of shuffle, basically. The one we are hearing now is an MPC kind of groove. And again here it's going from straight on the top to more and more shuffled. And on the patch we had playing before, we had an envelope. Should we patch the envelope? pitch.
So the idea behind the subdiv out is that it gives you the swung 16th shuffle. So you can pass on the 16th note to another sequencer, but you can also get the subdivision out that matches basically the swing that you get. So. Basically the swing is basically built on a quintuplet groove, and you can either get the swung 16th notes or you can get the shuffle pattern, and you can get the straight quintuplets as well. So if you have a step sequencer and you put it to 5 or 10 or 15, you can build new grooves on top of the one that you already have. Which matches the groove you get from the machine. And of course you can mute that one as well. Another fun thing is that you get a sync output that is just straight clock out. So basically here you're hearing quarter notes.
And this is independently of the shuffle of the module. So if I have a really extreme shuffle, this output is always straight out. So this was the first patch we played, and in the second patch we use stopper beats as a sequencer to sequence external drum gear. So we are hooking up the MIDI output of stopper beats to the drum machine, which is making the sounds. Yeah.
Let's try another pattern this time. Just for fun. Okay. Stopper Beats has a MIDI in, which lets you switch the patterns, and MIDI out, which lets you load a lot of different MIDI mappings. So here we just have MIDI mappings with different pitches. idea behind this is that you can use the module with all your external drum machines as well.
Yeah,
So
that's Stopper Beats.
that was that. Thank you.